galaxy called the Milky Way on a planet called Earth, and our project was to do Venus. So we hope you enjoy what we learned. Venus is a planet in our solar system, which is the second planet from the Sun. Venus's neighbors are Earth and Mercury. Venus's distance from the Sun is 67.24 miles. Venus is one of the inner planets. The inner planets have high density and a thin atmosphere. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to complete orbit around the Sun during the day. Venus has a temperature of 864 degrees Fahrenheit or 462 degrees Celsius. During the night, it has the exact same thing.
The hottest planet in the solar system, even though it is the second planet from the Sun. The reason why it is so hot is because on its surface it has more than 1,000 volcanoes, and the surface is basically all lava. Venus is 3.76 kilomiles. Venus has a volume of 938 billion cubic kilometers. If you think that's big, imagine Jupiter. Jupiter is 43.441 kilomiles. Venus has a temperature of 864 degrees Fahrenheit because of the Sun. It gets most of its heat from the Sun in its core. Venus's atmosphere blocks most of the sunlight and heat.
Venus has a composition of 96% carbon dioxide and 3% nitrogen, with small amounts of many other gases. Some people call Venus Earth's sister planet, morning star, evening star, or even dragon star. Venus hides a cold layer in its atmosphere at 125 kilometers above Venus's surface. The weather is 175 degrees Celsius when it is 283 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists think that there could be carbon dioxide ice on Venus.
The heavy, thick, shiny clouds that shield Venus's surface provide visible observation of the planet. Venus doesn't have any seasons because there is very little heat from the Sun. It's mostly hot because of its core and mantle. The Sun penetrates its atmosphere. Venus's atmosphere is made of 96% carbon dioxide, 3.5% nitrogen, water vapor, which is less than 1%, argon, carbon monoxide, and sulfur dioxide.
Venus is made up of a central iron core and a rocky mantle, similar to the composition of Earth. At the center of Venus, there is a liquid core of iron or nickel. Venus is the second visible thing in the nighttime all year round. The length of Venus's day is 116 Earth days, 18 hours, and 0 minutes. That's why longer than our days, it takes Venus 225 days to fully orbit the Sun. There's a lot of lava and volcanoes on Venus.
Celestial body is any natural body in space, not on Earth. An example is the Sun or Moon. The Kuiper Belt contains many celestial bodies. Ceres is a celestial body that is the largest and most massive asteroid in the belt between Mars and Jupiter. Venus was formed in the same nebula as all the other planets at the same time as them 4.6 billion years ago.
Time for your quiz. And if you want to do the quiz, it is questions about what we taught you today. The QR code is being printed, and it is printed underneath the screen printed Venus. We hope you learned something.